It's really early. I woke up around 3 and I cannot go back to sleep. Does this ever happen to anyone? Like, I just want to start the day. It's so dark. It's so blurry right now. I just want the day to start. Help. Okay. Welcome back to another video, by the way. Good morning. I have class at 8:30 and it's 7:30 right now. I'm deciding that today is gonna be a great day. So let's go make some coffee. Oh, there's a spider. It's giving me the creeps. Shoot. I have an AirPod in. I'm listening to Margot Lee's podcast. Margot's been my favorite for like 5 years now. Prep to start doing class and getting work done. I'm so obsessed with sets and all that, so today I'm wearing this one from Aerie. It's so cozy and comfortable, but it literally feels like you're wearing pajamas, which makes it perfect because I feel put together, but I'm still really comfortable because I'm just at home. But it still kind of gets me out of my pajamas, makes me feel like the day has started because the day just blends together now because all we are is home. I'm gonna put on a teeny bit of makeup right now. Also claw clips. These are all my products. Moisturize. I've been using lots of oils and things on my face at night just to hydrate my skin because it's so dry and it's been making a huge difference. I'm gonna film a night routine soon and I can show you guys all of that like in depth. Let's speed this up. Feel put together and alive, and I'm gonna go through and write down a to-do list right now while I'm in class just listening to lecture. I'm gonna make my to-do list. Let's do it. I've responded to all my comments on my newest video. I did my daily stoic and my 5-minute journal, and I'm starving. I ate some Ritz crackers while I was doing that, but I need to make breakfast, but I ran out of eggs yesterday. I need to go to the store, but it's so cold out. It was snowing all night. It's just really cold out. I am in Michigan. For those of you who don't know, this is where I go to college, but I'm from New York. So I'm used to the cold, but I just don't feel like going to the grocery store. So I think I just might make some pasta. Here's my gourmet lunch. Just some SpaghettiOs and water. I got this cup from Target and it's literally amazing. It keeps my water so cold for so long, which actually makes such a huge difference in the amount of water that I drink, because since it's always cold, like I'm always just I'm gonna watch Bailey Sarian. She makes true crime videos, so I'm gonna watch her while I eat, and then I have to do a lot of stats homework. So gonna eat this, watch some true crime, and then get started on my stats homework. I don't wanna. But I love watching true crime. I actually did 2 videos of true crime on my channel. I'll link them below in case you guys are interested. But I really love researching cases, and I was a criminal psychology major before. Like, originally that's what I spent my first 2 years of college studying, was criminal psychology. So I really love watching true crime and researching cases and trying to like understand what happened, why it happened, and I would really love to make more true crime videos. If you guys would be interested in that, please let me know in the comments, and maybe like thumbs up a message that someone does. I want to see like how many of you would be interested in that. 2 videos I made like did okay. Like, they didn't do like great, obviously. They aren't like my normal videos, like my popular videos that are on my channel that I make. But if you guys would be interested in maybe like a normal video like this, as well as a true crime video each week, so 2 videos a week, let me know, because I do really love it. But it's time to do my homework, and I don't wanna. Whatever. It's time to do it. This little small market, picked up some groceries that I needed. Kitty's right behind the camera. No, don't bite the camera. Everything there is very fresh and organic. Like, these are the closest thing they have to like normal chips. Sea salt. I needed to get some eggs because this was the whole reason I went there, was just for eggs. I'm gonna make breakfast for dinner tonight because I have some bread and some bacon that's in the fridge that I need to eat up. These strawberries looked so good. I went to Target the other day and picked up some stuff, and I wanted to get some fruit, and the strawberries looked terrible, and so I didn't buy any, but these ones look so good. I also got some fresh sliced roasted turkey. So good. If you guys go to Michigan State, the market that I went to is called Campbell's. Probably one of my favorite small businesses here, so definitely go there. They also have like breakfast sandwiches. They make lattes and stuff like that. So yummy. And lastly, I was bad and I got a root beer because I wanted it. I'm not done with my stats homework yet, but I'm just taking a break because I'm really hungry, so. It's about 11 o'clock right now, but I just posted on my Instagram story. It's 10 degrees here. It's definitely a hot coffee type of morning. I got a white peppermint mocha. I seriously get white peppermint mochas all year round, not just during the holidays, because I'm obsessed. So fun fact, you can order them all year round. I still have some things that I need to finish up that I didn't end up getting to yesterday because it got so late. Like, I didn't finish my stats homework that literally took up my entire day yesterday, so I didn't get to fold my laundry like I wanted to. I'm gonna do some laundry folding right now, and I also have an exam tomorrow, so today is gonna be spent a lot of I can't talk. Today is gonna be spent doing a lot of studying, printing out notes and all of that, but I keep like stuttering and just making no sense. I'm actually taking a public speaking class right now, so maybe that'll be good for me. Ice water and put away my laundry. Let's do it. watching the Frenemies podcast with Trisha and then her fiance's brother-in-law. I'm gonna make some sandwiches. I have the turkey that I bought yesterday. I like to put balsamic on my sandwiches, like my turkey. It's so yummy, you should try it. And then I love these rolls. I usually make 3 slider kind of like sandwiches, and it's delicious. Did you like that little mukbang, whatever it's called? I don't know why I filmed that. I just did. But I hope you guys liked this video. I'm gonna end it off here. I told you guys I'm back on my grind. I'm back for real. I uploaded a video 2 or 3 days ago, and I'm uploading one again today because it's Wednesday, and Wednesdays are going to be my uploading days from now on. I will see you guys next Wednesday. Make sure you're following me on Instagram. It's just at Brooke so that you can keep up with me on the days that I'm not filming. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed, and I will see you guys in my next video.